Hello, the subscribers. Today I send you a warm greetings from the Slovenian coast. In this video, I'm in the middle of the newest public beach in municipality of Koper, and the biggest specialty of this new beach is the first artificial island on Slovenian coast. It's quite small, however, it's quite interesting because it's only one island in Slovenian Sea. The water is quite warm and clean. On the shore of an island, you can see a seagull. So, if I express the highlight of my visit of the newest public beach in Koper, I can say that it's very nice, and I propose that you visit this place during the summer. Have a nice time. So have a nice time and enjoy every moment in your life. Bye, see ya.